This is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluorescents Studio, and that's an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, an 8 by 10 inch canvas, and some Prizm pour poinsettia from Colourarte, and I'm an affiliate. And we're going to try something I watched Tomoko. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing her name right, but she has a channel and she has wonderful, interesting videos for you to watch too. I'd like to not have any gaps, and I'm going to put black on the other side, and I'm going to try not to worry about my edge for right now. And I'm going to swipe with some Australian Floetrol and Amsterdam black cell activator. I just want my edge covered. My mixtures, my paint mixtures are below the video, and I suspect that my mixture is thicker than the one she used. But I want to get all of that off my spatula so I can use it again in a second. So I might as well spread it right along that edge just because I can. Because that's the name of my first book on the Amazon link. Alright, I'm going to wipe that off. Grab some Amsterdam black that has regular Floetrol. And GAC 800, although not as much GAC 800 as I should have put in there, I'm thinking now. So I need to make sure it's kind of thin. This is my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. I always say best paint spreading tool I know of. I've got my palette knife ready to go. I'm going to use both sides. I maybe used a little more than I needed to. But that might help if I go to tip. In the meantime, if I want to put it back, I can do that. By just picking up some of it, spinning my turntable, yeah. Because I'm fairly certain I don't need all the paint that I've got. And the less there is dripping around, the less mess I'm going to make. Although I made a mess anyway. Still looks like plenty of paint to me. And it's always takes longer than I anticipate. Screw the top back on. Flip the turntable around. Use the residuals I've got on my spatula. And rest that somewhere I can use it. I'm going to start with Golden Maple, which is a Bling It primary element, Snapdragon, which is another primary element, probably already used too much paint. I've got Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold by Golden. Finish up with Wintergreen. These are the colors, a close approximation of the colors that Tomoko used. Still hoping I'm not murdering her name. And I've got a bigger palette knife than the one I got out originally, and I'm going to use this one. let it spread around and drip down a little and over some, and hope it's not too much. And I see that there's something in it that I don't want. And I'm thinking I'm going to put some more color down here. And go easier on that. Helps if I completely open the top. I gotta say, I didn't expect to like these colors as much as I do. I'm sort of kind of getting a similar effect, but not as dramatic. I don't think anybody's ever going to beat the one that Tomoko got. So I'm going to use a little bit of my poinsettia. And more gold maple. And Snapdragon. And Quinacridone Nickle Gold. And I've got a little tiny palette knife, a little plastic one. Because there was a specific shape I really enjoyed about Tomoko's piece. And I like that red in there. I'm surprised I didn't get any cells, but I could probably blow it around. Let's see what happens by doing that. See if it'll move some. I think my paint is a lot slower. And she had way more peacock cells. And I think I'm going to blow a little bit more. might even bring a little paint right up there with my finger. And down here also. Not the same, but still kind of cool. I'm really tempted to do something I always do, which is add a little bit of something special. In this case, it's jasmine. I'll blow that around. Actually, I might just use my palette knife again. Let's see what happens. That's kind of cool. That wasn't dragged right down to canvas immediately. Just get rid of that edge. Wondering if I want to do anything else. Just because I can. I just did that. Oh well. Okay, I guess that's as far as I'm going to go. But you can never trust me when I say stuff like that. Whoa. Well, I guess I found out in a hurry if I like to have the orange on there. I should have shaken it, obviously. Do I have a paper towel? Paper towels work better for sopping up things like that. Just use a corner. still like hers better. Using some of the paint right off my table. And a little more poinsettia right in there. Which I will then blow around. Okay. So a little bit of a copycat, but not much in the long run. Similar shape, similar colors. Definitely started with Tomoko's colors and idea. And I will see you guys anon. Check out some of my 32 playlists. Make sure that you know there's a 20% off Colourarte coupon code. Below show more. And that's kind of fun. Thanks, Tomoko. And I just used 18 minutes on an 8x10 painting. But I like it. And I'm cool with that. Credit to Tomoko for starting me up. Please give me a thumbs up if you like what I do. Thank you for the donations through Patreon and the donations through PayPal. And I appreciate the memberships. You guys, the 3 different categories are all keeping me going. On YouTube, buying me canvases and Floetrol and GAC 800 and things that I need, like Australian Floetrol for cell activator. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. I love you guys much. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out @gmail.com if you'd like to reach me for purchasing artwork or information about taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. No, I love you guys, and I appreciate your kind words and comments, your thumbs up, and when you share my videos. Please subscribe if you would. My paint pouring recipes below show more. Everything that you see that I create can be also purchased printed, reproduced as a reproduction at fineartamericapixels.com or added to the designs available at pixels.com, fineartamericA. I just said that twice. Wow. Excuse me. Society 6 Legalerist and spring clothing is not just spring clothing, it's spring everything. Follow the video. Alright, I love you guys. Don't forget the 10% off Pixel Paint Designs coupon code near the 20% off Colourarte coupon code. They have Australian Floetrol, Pebeo paints, iridescent boom gel. Boom gel is nice because it doesn't require cell activator. Anyway, I love you guys. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.